I really vomited, like full on vomit. Like sprayed over the...
We're here at the Gawler Show. It's the biggest regional show in South Australia, and it's about 170 years old.
Snap like vinyl, slide like silk. Words drip smooth like strawberry milk. Got that jazz in my sneakers, funk in my veins. Every line I spit got a wiggle in the chain. Tap that beat like it owes me rent. Baseline thick with a 90 cent. Cartoon flow, call me Looney Tune Logic. Bounce so clean, but the groove so toxic. Switch lanes, no brakes. Gazzy in the pocket, make the whole world shake. Got a rhyme so slick, it can moonwalk twice. Turn my tongue to dice, roll smooth, sound nice. Pop, pop, deluxe. Flip that word, don't need no luck. Bounce that beat, yeah, turn it up. Cartoon dreams in a coffee cup. Pop, 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 pop. Deluxe, got that groove, can't get enough. Snap that swing, that's how we strut.
These are my photos. I got first prize in the senior school art competition. This one I took last year here at the Gawler Show as well.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah.
We need more speed.
Oh my god! That's pretty cool. Right, even that, just walking.
I know, all legs.
Look how cool that looks.
Yes,
Two people in the middle.
Yeah.
I've got subjects there.
Yeah.
So I'm really loving the lighting here with the haziness. It's now nighttime and I'm gonna get some nice nighttime shots with all these lights. Yeah, it would.
Like I really vomited, like full on vomit. Like sprayed over the side. I went over the side and through it was braided at the bottom, the foot. It had holes all the way through it. And I was vomiting and it was spraying out. I was like, I'm not even embarrassed about it. I think it was hilarious.
So I'm waiting for this ride here to start moving so I can get some long exposure photos of it.